Marhay na banggi sa ating mga solid basketball fans, enthusiasts, at sa ating mga kasurog na walang katapusang sumusuporta sa ating ito pa rin ng iyong paboritong Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur, hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List, katabang na kasurog pa. At welcome na welcome kayo para sa ating venue ngayong gabi dito sa Sangay Sports Complex para sa ating double header matchups ng ating Bigatin Quarterfinals. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang sinusuporta ang mga team sa ating quarterfinals. Kaya heto ang kanilang mga team standing sa ating tournament.
Okay, partner. So ito na ang ating mga bigatin for Bracket A. Ang nangunguna, partner, sa ating Bracket A is Team Naga with 3 wins without loss, partner. And ang sumusunod naman is Team Nabwa and Sangay and also Lupi. Para pareho silang may isang panalo. Pero itong Team Lupi, partner, may 2 talo na. Ang Nabwa at Sangay, isa lang. Ang Milaor, they are again chasing their first win tonight, and also they have 2 loss. For Bracket B, partner, we have Team Kamaligan and also a clean record of 3 win, and follow is Iriga and San Fernando and also Goa, para pareho ng standing 1 win and with 1 loss. And itong Del Gallego, hahanapin pa ba nila yung kanilang unang panalo dito sa bracket na ito with mayroon silang 3 talo dito, partner.
Yan nga, partner, ang ating current team standing sa ating tournament. At para naman sa ating unang laro ngayong gabi, tapatang Nabwa kontra naman sa kupunan ng Milaor sa ating first game. Nga, partner, bago po makalimutan ng lahat, magpakilala muna tayo. Ako nga pala, si John Bachiller, ang inyong resident play-by-play analyst, kasama ang aking partner na si...
Yes, partner. So I'm Coach Paul Sepe. I will be your basketball analyst for this game, partner.
Yes, partner, maraming salamat ulit sa pagpa-unlock. And syempre, partner, nakita natin ang kanilang previous games. So, partner, sa tingin mo, ano ang kanilang dapat gawin in order for them to advance sa ating semifinals or makaalagwa sa mga teams na nanguna sa kanila?
Yes, partner. For Team Nabwa and Team Milaor, partner, parehong galing sa talo. Team Nabwa against dito sa home team natin na Sangay. They came up short, partner, on that game, but they have very good looks on that game. Maganda yung shots nila, shot selections, but yun lang, came up short itong Team Nabwa. But itong Team Milaor also, partner, maganda din yung pinakita nila against that powerhouse Team Naga, but again, also they came up short. For these 2 teams, partner, ngayon sa tingin ko dito sa labanang ito na Milaor Nabwa, kung sino ang magiging aggressive and sino ang mas experienced, tingin ko, partner, sila ang mananalo for this game.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Napakagandang insights, partner. And syempre, completing our panel, dumako naman tayo sa ating napakagandang courtside reporter na si Barbie Floriano para kapanayamin ang coaches ng bawat kupunan. Barbie, magandang hapon sa'yo.
Thank you so much for that, Coach John and Coach Paul, and good evening mga kasurog. It's day 7 of quarterfinals at habang tumatagal ay mas lalong umiinit ang bakbakan dito sa Ako Bicol Cup. Kaya naman bago magsimula ang ating exciting game between Nabwa and Milaor ay kausapin na muna natin ang coaches ng bawat team. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Ayun, let's start first with Team Milaor, Coach Dennis Medina. Coach, this is your 3rd game for the quarterfinals. So far, ano po yung mga realizations and lessons ng inyong team from your previous games?
Well, tulad na sabi kanina, galing kami sa talong laro. Pero noted yung ginawa naming effort on that. So far, kami lang ata pa raw ang hindi masyadong tinambakan ng Naga. Ang Naga powerhouse. So, pero sabi ko sa team ko noon, at least ako, yung best natin, effort, hindi tayo tinambakan. Pero this time, since we are chasing for our first win, sabi ko sa kanila is, do their best on both ends, on defense and offense. Yun lang ang inano ko lagi sa be aggressive all the time, maglaro ng basic ng basketball, huwag kakalimutan ng basic ng basketball.
Ayun, Coach, aabangan po namin yan. You have the opportunity to thank all of the supporters of Team Milaor, at kung may gusto ka pa i-shoutout, go ahead, Coach.
Una, shoutout sa very supportive namin, si Mayor Anthony Labas Reyes. Dito sa aking team and sa aming mga pamilya na mga nanonood, sa aming mga supporter. Shoutout mga taga Milaor.
Ayun, thank you so much po, Coach Dennis Medina. Dito naman tayo kay Coach Mark Dasal of Team Nabwa. Coach, unfortunately po, you didn't win in your last game with Team Sangay. What are your adjustments in order to secure a bounce-back victory po for tonight?
Yes, no, we came up short in against Sangay team, no. But this is basketball. Even we're lost, however, we try our best, no. And then losing is part of the game of basketball, and we learn on that particular game. So yung adjustment, we need to slow down our pace. To avoid mga errors, and then especially yung sinasabi nga dito yung Milaor, and then malakas talaga yung Milaor. They have veterans player like Vargas and others, no, so we need to grab our rebounds for us to able to execute our game plan.
Okay, Coach, now you have the opportunity to thank all of the supporters of Team Nabwa, at kung may gusto ka po i-shout out, go ahead.
Yes, I would like to shout out my our mayor, Percy Bulan, si Kagawad Dr. Ladao, and then sa community ng Nabwa, thank you for your support po.
Ayan, thank you so much, coaches, and good luck po sa inyong game. Maaari na po kayong bumalik sa kanya-kanya nyong benches para makapag-prepare sa inyong match-up. And mga kasurog, you can watch the actual game here at Sangay Sports Complex, and we are also live at the Facebook page of Ako Bicol Online TV, Ako Bicol Party List, and Representative Zaldico, also on YouTube and TikTok, Ako Bicol Cup. This is Barbie Floriano, your courtside reporter, and I'll be back for more updates. Balik sa inyo, Coach John and Coach Paul.
Maraming salamat, Barbie, sa panayam sa ating mga coaches and partner. Pasadahan naman natin ang ating kasurog matchup for tonight, partner. Yan yung mga stats nila sa kanilang previous games.
Yes, partner. So pasadahan natin itong kasurog matchup natin in their previous games. We have for Team Milaor, we have Dashwish, Kashmir, Hubert Bare, who averages 57% on that game against Naga in the 2-point average, and also with a 45% average on the 3-point area, partner, against the Team Naga. And also, he contributes 20 points average on that game, partner, against Team Naga. And also on the other side, the team for Team Nabwa, we have Francis Austin Redondo, the hustler for Team Nabwa, who averages 36% on the 2-point average, partner, but didn't take the 3-point shot on that game. But ito yung malaking bagay na itulong niya with a 70% on the free throw shooting to averages 11 points in that game, partner.
Yes, partner. Kumbaga, abangan natin itong matchup ng dalawang key players ng both teams. At para naman sa dalawang kupunan na magtatapat ngayong gabi, Team Milaor against Team Nabwa, here are their stats in the previous games sa ating quarterfinals.
Okay, partner. Ito naman yung previous game nila dito sa ating quarterfinals against Team Naga and Team Sangay. For these both teams, Team Milaor and Team Nabwa, both shots 40% on the 2-point average. And also yung disparity, partner, na makikita natin dito is the rebounding, the defensive rebound, and also the offensive rebound, and also the assist average, kasi, partner, medyo lamang ang Milaor dito against Team Nabwa. So titingnan natin, partner, kung ano ang mangyayari. But again, isa din sa titingnan natin itong turnover na ginagawa itong mga teams na to, kasi itong Milaor, they're giving up 14 turnover per game, and ito naman na Nabwa is 9.7 dun sa kanilang previous game with these two teams. So ayun, partner, ang kanilang mga stats. So di na natin papatalagalin ang ating bigating quarterfinals, partner. So ibeto na natin to sa ating arena announcer na si JB, partner.
Maray na bagi mga kasurog! This is the day 41 of Ako Bicol Cup, Camarines Sur. Brought to you by Congressman Zaldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang nga kasurog pa! We welcome you everyone inside the Sangay Sports Complex for our double-header matchups in our quarterfinals. For our first game, we will be having Team Milaor versus Team Nabwa. For the starters, let's first start with Team Milaor. Shooting forward number 3, Rodel Priera. Center number 10, Maynard Habana. Power forward number 24, Nino Sumayaw. Point guard number 29, Kashmir Bari. And shooting guard number 77, Shante Cecilio. The head coach for Team Milor is Mr. Dennis Medina. And for the starters for Team Nabua, we have point guard number 1, Jumel Digamo. Shooting guard number 2, Eric John Bernales. Center number 9, Francis Redondo. Power forward number 15, Christian Veron. And shooting forward number 28, Peter Militaro Jr. The head coach for Team Nava is Mr. Mark Desal. And officiating officials for this ball game are Crew Chief Jomar Torong, Upper 1 Edmond Paron, and Upper 2 Ronnie Maleniza. This is your Ako Bigo Cup Kama Renisur, ating to!
Yes, magandang gabi ulit sa iyo, partner. Magandang evening, basketball fans. Andito ulit ang Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur, hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa. Magandang gabi sa iyo, Coach Paul.
Magandang gabi, partner. So, ayan. So, coming from a loss, itong two teams na nakikita natin on the floor. Team Milaor donning the white jersey, partner, and also for Team Nabua with the blue jersey, partner.
Yun na nga, partner. Unang buslo sa ating laro. Nakuha ng ating kasurog featured player na si Kashmir Barce. Sa kanyang partner, this is going to be a good matchup kasi coming from a loss ang parehong kupunan. So talagang siguro gigil na gigil sila para makabawi sa larong ito.
Yes, partner. And also nakita natin kanina, partner, sa stats nila, almost identical itong stats itong dalawang team na to, partner. So makikita natin na talagang match na match itong dalawang kupunan na to.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Speaking of matchups, ayan na nga yung labanan ng mga veterans sa si Redondo against this very talented and intelligent center na si Nino Sumayaw. During their previous outings, partner, talaga napahanga ako ng isang Nino Sumayaw talaga.
Yes, partner. So kung makikita mo, partner, itong frontline nitong Team Milaor, lahat yan, experience, lahat yan. Yung tatlo na yan, Priela, Sumayaw, and Habana, talagang mga experienced player yan, partner.
Kaya tingnan natin, partner, kung anong magiging results sa ating laro. And then si Francis Redondo announcing his presence inside with the medium range jumper. Ayan na si Bare again, top of the key 3, misses the shot. Redondo grabs the rebound, rushes, kicks it out to Digamo. Digamo gives it up to the veteran Eric John Bernales. Digamo with 14 seconds remaining sa kanila shot clock. Militario swings the ball to Digamo. Top of the key 3, come on! Grabe, partner, very evident. Though yung very experienced backcourt ng Nabua rotating the ball, halos lahat ng players nakahawak ng bola during those last sequence.
Yes, partner. And also that 3-point shot is sinatid sa atin ng Misibis Bay, Cagraray Island, partner. So yun ang magandang ginagawa nitong Nabua dito sa first quarter, partner. They are sharing the ball.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Despite yung mga threats, meron ng guards. Pero talagang sinishare nila. Yan na si Digamo again. Drops it up to Redondo. Attack Sabana. Misses the shot. Yun ang partner talaga sinasabi ko. These two talented guards of Nabua talaga can cause damage sa Team Milaor right now.
Okay, partner. This will be a defining moment for Team Nabua. No? Itong dalawang guards nila talaga, ito ang magdadala ng tempo dito. But for, and the other end, for Team Milaor naman, itong mga veteran player. And also, ito si Kashmir Bare, partner. Tingnan natin kung ano magiging contribution niya dito sa laro ito.
Yes, Kashmir Bare is one of the rising stars here sa ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. And syempre, yung mga steady guys ng Milaor, hindi magpapatalo yan.
Yes, partner. So, ayan na nga. On the line is Priela. Ito si Priela talagang naabutan ko pa to na naglaro. He played for different teams also na so talagang very experienced itong mga player na ito na nasa loob, partner.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Kitang-kita naman. Sa umpisa pa lang talagang they're imposing will. And yan na, si Bernales with this strong side, kung baga, a 3-point shot but misses the shot. And we have 7 minutes and 28 seconds remaining sa ating unang yugto. Lamang Nabua, 5-3.
Yes, partner. So, nangyari doon, kanina they are sharing the ball, pero kanina nakita natin one pass, so minadali ang tira, so hindi sila nakakonvert. So yun ang mangyayari, partner, pag minamadali nila.
Grabe, partner. Very aggressive si Priela. As early as first quarter talaga, dishing those drop passes sa kanilang mga guards. Baliktad, pero talagang effective sa inside.
Yes, partner. Parang hindi veterano gumalaw si Priela dun sa sequence na yon. But ito, on the other hand, dapat ang gawin nitong Nabwa is yung ginagawa nila kanina. That's why they're lead. They're pushing the ball.
Tama ka dyan kasi I guess that is the advantage of Nabwa is to run against this veteran Milaor team. Ayan na si Degamo. Gives the ball to Redondo. Long 2. Misses the shot pero nakuha ni Beron ang offensive rebound. Ayan na naman, partner. Yung mga no-look passes ng isang Bernales sa kanyang mga bigs. At meron tayong loose ball foul na itinawag.
Number 21, 29.
Nahuli si Barre doon, partner. May konting hawak siya sa jersey ni Austin Redondo. Kaya tinawagan siya ng foul.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. With 14 seconds sa kanilang shot clock, Degamo swings the ball to Redondo. Redondo attacks using the glass but misses the shot. Ayan na, partner. Grabe yung depensa na Priela sa ilalim. Degamo again for 3. And that 3-point shot is brought to you by Hotel St. Ellis. And yun nga, partner. Lamang na ang Nabwa 8-3.
Yun, partner, ang magandang gawin ng team Nabwa talaga. Talagang dapat i-push nila ang bola. Pag pinupush nila ang bola, wala na nakakasabay na veterano, partner.
Yes, tama ka dyan, but that was a sorry miss. Ayun na si Bare, pushing the pace. Bare, behind the back pass to Priela. Pero tumama sa katawan ng Manaka Blue. And the ball will remain to Team Nabwa. And meron tayong unang casualty. Timeout, tinawag ng Team Milaor.
Yes, partner. So, I think they will talk things over dito sa pinaka-maaga na timeout na ginawa nitong Team Milaor. So, ang titingnan natin dito, partner, kung ano magiging adjustments nitong mga veterans when it comes to this combo guard nitong Team Nabwa. Kasi they are pushing the ball. Yung facing nila, medyo binibilisan nila kasi alam nila na once they got the ball, wala nang nakakahabol ng veterano. Once na pinush na nitong dalawang guards nitong Team Nabwa, partner.
Tama ka dyan, very evident sa ating first quarter na Nabwa is trying to outrun this veteran Milaor squad. Kasi nakikita ko dito ang tumatakbo lang talaga si Kashmir Bare and yung iba is puro big man na. So talagang lamang na lamang ang Nabwa when it comes sa fast break points.
Yes, partner. So yun ang dapat i-exploit naman itong Team Nabwa. So kanina ang ganda ng interior defense ng Milaor, pero pag andun na yung combo guard nitong Nabwa, talagang naiiba yung laro.
Yes, ayan na. Cecilio with a medium range jumper. Mintis Redondo grabs the rebound. I guess that is his second rebound of the ball game. And the ball was deflected and the ball will remain to Team Nabwa.
Yes, partner. So ayun, kanina nga, partner, nakausap ko to si Eric Jan Bernales, no? So yun daw talaga ang gagawin talaga nila. They will push the ball against this Team Milaor.
Yes, that is Eric Jan Bernales. Kashmir Bare for you. Yan na si Beron. What a pass. Di Bernales but deflected. Sayang kung napaada sa loob bola. Maybe an easy two with 11 seconds remaining sa Nabwa side. Bernales against Bare. Lambs it up to Militario. Miscommunication on the part of Blue Shirts. That cost a turnover. And the ball will go to Team Milaor.
Medyo minadali ni Eric yung
Yes.
pasa na yun, partner. So hindi niya naman kailangan gawin na yun muna.
Yan na si Bare. Thinking 3. Priela gives the ball to Bare. Cecilio. 10 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Bare, may pick galing kay Nino Sumayaw. Natapik ni Eric Jan Bernales. Degamo. Militario is open but hindi nakita ni Degamo. And the ball will remain to Team Nabwa. Grabe, partner, yung adjustment sa Milaor. Sumasabay na rin sila sa takbuhan. Napakagandang defensive stop ang ginawa nila kanina.
Yes, partner. So pero ayun nga, on the offensive end naman, di lang sila nakakonvert.
Yes,
partner.
tama ka dyan. Yun na nga, ang naun sa may alley-oop play but ang Militario misses the gimme. Sayang, partner. Nang hinayang on that part si Eric Jan Bernales because it's a gimme. So they have to shoot that.
Yes, partner. So ito talaga yung specialty nito ni Bilitario, no? Pag pinasahan mo to sa ilalim ng ganyan, usually nasushoot niya yan. Pero kanina medyo nailang siguro siya kay Habana.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And si Redondo imposing his will sa ilalim with that fall-away jumper. And yun ang matchups binigay. Ninyo sumayaw against Francis Redondo. What a good matchup, partner talaga. Those two guys, those two veterans of so many wars here sa Kamsur talaga nagbabakbakan sa ilalim.
Yes, partner. So kita mo naman talagang tinatry nito ni Sumayaw na nakunin ang bola. Sabi niya, take charge ko to. Low post ako kay Austin. Si Austin naman medyo naging much aggressive to that extent na nakakuha siya ng foul doon.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Si Ninyo Sumayaw, very aggressive against Team Naga. He posted numbers against those big guys ng Team Naga. So very, very talented ang mamang ito. Ayan na si Degamo again for the possible tatlong 3 points pero mintis ang kanyang tira. Bare waiting for his teammate. Cecilio fakes, kicks it out to Bare but intercepted by Degamo. Degamo waiting for his teammates, giving instructions. Swings the ball to Redondo. Degamo fakes. Ayan na si Oquindo, bumps. And he was called for an offensive foul.
Grabe, binaba niya yung shoulder niya yon. So, tiningnan niya pa yung defender kaya dun pa lang, dun sa pagkakita pa lang ng referee, talagang alam na ng referee kung ano ang itatawag kasi talagang binaba niya yung shoulder niya.
Tama ka dyan. And evidently, nauna ang defender na nakatayo with a good position and good stance kaya talagang matatawagan ng offensive foul.
Yes, partner.
Ayan na si Cecilio. Tubare, Razon. Bagong pasok, tumira ng 3 points, wala. Pero si Bare grabs the offensive rebound, stops for 2, misses the shot. Oquindo taps it up. Ayan na si Degamo, drops it up to Hermoso for 2.
Yun ang sinasabi natin, partner. Ito ang magandang ginagawa nito ang Team Nabwada, and that 2-point shot is atid sa atin ng Hotel Venecia, partner.
Yung partner, ganda sana ng ball rotation ng Milaor, but they cannot contribute. Pero sabi ninyo, Sumayaw, this is the time.
Narinig ka pa.
Narinig ako. Sorry, idol. Yun na nga, partner. That is a good ball rotation plus the good finish ng isang veteran ninyo, Sumayaw.
Yun naman dapat ang gawin nila, partner. I-maximize din na yung pagiging veteran dun sa mga play na yon.
Yes, ay Razon. Grabs the rebound. Gives it up to Habana. Swings the ball to Kashmir Bare. Ayan na si Bare. Binigay kay Cecilio. Ninyo Sumayaw. Humingi sa post. Binigay kay Razon. Razon attacking against Redondo. Misses the shot. Ayan na, partner. Ang blue shirts. 2 against 1. What a good defense, partner, on the part of Kashmir Bare. Again, Ninyo Sumayaw but misses the shot. Redondo drops it up to Degamo with the floater for 2. Medyo lumolobo na, partner ang kalamangan ng Team Nabwa.
Yes, partner, kasi nga yun nga, once they get that ball, they are sharing the ball, they are pushing that ball. So ganun na ang ginagawa ng Team Nabwa ngayon.
Ayan na Cecilio, medium range jumper, Mintes. Oquindo grabs the rebound, but there is Razon to intercept the pass. Bare swings the ball to Ninyo Sumayaw. Sumayaw, what a fake, partner, muntik na. And si Razon against Veron. Razon with the hook shot. Misses the shot. Hermoso. Outlets to Degamo. But he falls down. Cecilio. Baseline jumper. No good. Nakuha ni Kashmir for 3. No good. What a rebound ni Ninyo Sumayaw. And he was hacked and will troop to the line for 2.
Grabe yung palitan ng possession doon, partner. Dalawang possession, hindi nag-give up doon si Sumayaw. So, he fish a foul. So, ang nangyari kasi doon, partner, medyo ang nangyayari, hindi nila kinakapitalize itong Team Nabwa yung 2-on-1 pass break opportunity. Minamadali. Although sabi natin mabilis, pero pagdating naman doon sa execution, gusto nila pabilisin ng pabilisin.
Tama ka dun,
So yun
partner.
ang nakikreate turnover.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. On the last sequence talaga, medyo sa cases spacing doon sa lamang sila 2 against 1, but the pass was intercepted by the defender and then naka-convert. And we have a warning for resentment of a call. Sino kaya ang natawagan? Pero tama ka dyan, partner. Mabalik tayo doon sa ating observation na sayang na mga fast break situations pagdating sa Nabwa. But hindi nila na execute na maayos sa kanilang plays.
Yes, partner. So yun talaga very vital kasi sa basketball, partner, yung yung spacing.
Tama
So
ka dyan,
yun ang
partner.
number one sa basketball, spacing. So if you have a better spacing, mas makaka-execute ka na mabuti.
Tama. And we have 1 minute and 52 seconds sa ating unang yugto. Ninyo sumayaw at the line. Shooting 2. Very steady talaga. Napansin ko sa partner, I've covered games of this veteran guy talaga. He is steady pagdating sa ating charity stripe.
Yes, partner. So ito kasi a lot of battles na din ang napagdaanan nito ni Nino Sumayaw dito sa Camarines Sur. And also is a former Varsitarian, partner. So talagang makikita mo naman yung discipline.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Despite the age, siguro. Ayan na si Hermoso. Drains the 3 but misses the shot. Nandyan si number 4 na si Tortoles to grab those offensive rebounds and he was fouled and mapupunta sa ating free throw line.
Number 24, Nino Sumayaw.
It is na number 4 guy, Yoyo Tortoles is also partner work harder dito sa team na buwa. Ito yung mga ginagawa nito, yung mga intangibles, partner. So you
Tama
grab
ka dyan.
those rebounds, defend.
Yes, partner, napansin ko talaga siya. He is a banger. Ayun, pinakitaan pa tayo ng 100 free throw ni Tortoles to add the lead. With 6-15 lamang ang team Nabwa. Ayan na si Sumayaw at the post against a much younger Fulgar. Sina Porteria. Open for 3. Makes the 3. Grabe, partner, announcing his entrance or entry at the game si Porteria, draining those rainbow bombs.
Yan ang sinasabi natin, partner, na malamig pa lang pero mainit na.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan na, Porteria with the layup again with a 5-0 run ng Milaor that cut the lead to 4 ng Nabwa. What a run for Team Milaor.
Okay, yun ang naging magandang adjustments, no? They have a combo guard also na pinasok. So
Yeah.
magiging mas mabilis din itong Team Milaor na to.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Nag-adjust. Good adjustment on the part of the coaching staff. Ayan na, si Tortoles again, binomba. Wala, pero grabs his own shot. Ayan na si Abana. Outlets to Razon. Razon nakukuna. And he was fouled, sayang. He did not finish the 3-point play.
So ayun, partner, ito namang Team Milaor ang nagkakapitalize sa kanilang bilis sa tatlong guard na pinasok nila in the lights of Razon, Porteria, and Desbarry, guys. So talagang
Yes, partner.
kinounter nila, partner, yung ginagawa nitong Team Nabwa. So magandang adjustments nga nito ni Coach Mark Dasal ng team. Coach Dennis Medina ng Team Milaor,
Ayun
partner.
na ka, partner. Mixed with those two veteran guys with two bangers talaga. And yun na ka, working wonders for their team is yung 5 ng kanilang floor ngayon.
Yes, partner. So ayan, they cut the lead in just by 2 points, partner. So magandang adjustments talaga.
Ayan na si Bernales, di pa nakabuta sa ating laro. Tortoles against the much taller Ninyo. Sumayaw operating but misses the shot. Sumayaw grabs the rebound. Bare against Hermoso behind the back dribble. Gives the ball to Habana. Cross court to Porteria with 11 seconds remaining sa ating laro. Bare swings the ball to Porteria. Porteria with the fake for 3. No good. And that ends our first quarter with a score of 13-15. Lamang ang Nabwa. Coach, thoughts on the first quarter na naganap?
Yes, partner. So yun na ang kagandahan doon, partner. First quarter. So ang unang ang lumamang is itong Team Nabwa. So they are pushing the ball, they are sharing that ball, pero ito na-recognize naman on the last minute ng first quarter nito ni Coach Dennis Medina ng Team Milaor. They counter. So ayan, medyo they are trailing by 2 points, pero this is a good thing. So makikita natin ang mga highlights for the first quarter with Digamo opening the game with that 2-3 points, and also Austin Redondo with 2 pointers. But also on the other end, this Team Milaor, hindi sila nagpabaya dito sa larong ito, kaya sila nagtitrail lang ng 2 puntos, partner.
Yes, partner. Tama ka dyan, partner. Talaga lumamang kanina as of high of 8 to 10 points siguro. Ang Nabwa. But yun na nga, yung adjustments na tinapatan ng coach sa kabila. Naglagay din ng kanilang mga fast and combo guards. Kaya para tapatan ng Team Nabwa.
Yes, partner. Sabi nga natin, yung basketball is battle of counters, partner. So, mas mabilis kang mag-react, mas mabilis mong ma-counter yung kalaban, mas mabilis kang makakabalik sa laro.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Completing the five of Nabwa is Bernales, Hermoso, Oquindo, Fulcar, and Tortoles. And para sa Milaor, si Razon, si Bermas, si Porteria, Kashmir Bare, and Niño Sumayaw. Ayan na, Bare. Nangunguna, Bare. What a shot, partner. Creating on his own, pero medyo, I guess, hindi nakita natin mga referees.
Medyo may konting tulak siya doon,
Oo.
buti hindi niya nakita ng referees. Pero pasadahan muna natin, partner, itong mga leading scorers natin ng first quarter. For Team Nabwa, we have Digamo with 8 points na, partner. And also for Team Milaor, we have Porteria with 5 points, partner.
Yes, gandang partner, kumbaga. Ayan na si Oquindo, makes his first bucket para galing sa napakagandang pasa ni Eric Jan Bernales. And yun na nga, bumalik ang kalamangan sa Nabwa na 2 points. Bare. Ayan na si Sumayaw. Nakakita na mas batang defender. Sumayaw is attacking. Laps it up to Porteria for 3. In and out. Sayang partner. Ayan na si Oquindo. Bernales is ahead. Bernales stops. Drops it up to Tortoles. Misses the shot. Pero nandyan si Fulgar. Oquindo, top of the key, 3 fakes. Oquindo. What a shot, partner, but misses the shot. Razon. Sayang, partner, in that case. Medyo yinoyo.
Yes, partner, sayang yung possession na yun for Team Nabwa, partner. Medyo nasobrahan naman sila sa pasa, yung sa possession na yun.
Tama ka dun, partner. Every turnover, every miscommunication on the part of Nabwa. Nandyan yung mga pesky guards ng Milaor to attack and to score. And on that sequence, nakascore si Kashmir with the floater. Oquindo with the foul. And he will troop to the line for a bonus free throw. Grabe, partner, haba ng galawa, inatake niya na. And make sure na magkakaroon ng 3-point play.
Yes, partner. So, ayun nga, partner. So, doon sa play na yon, maganda yung ginawa ni Oquindo. But for now, puntahan muna natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Barbie. Barbie, pasok.
Magandang gabi muli, Coach Paul and Coach John, and of course sa ating mga kasurog. This is a battle of redemption, and as we all know, both teams is seeking for a victory in this game. Kaya naman first quarter pa lang ay di na hinahayaan ng Nabwa ang Milaor na makapuntos gamit ang kanilang slow face game at zone defense. Pero bago matapos ang first period ay nakahabol na ang Milaor at malaking tulong dito ang kanilang mga nakuhang free throws. Naging maalat lamang ang bola sa Milaor during the first minutes of the game, pero nabawi naman nila ito, ending the period with 15 to 13 score, at ngayon ay kasalukuyan ngang nangunguna pa rin ang Team Nabwa. That's the latest for now. Back to the panel.
Okay, thank you, Barbie, for that report. Ayun na nga, kasabi lang ni Barbie because of the hassle na ginagawa din itong mga players nitong Team Milaor. Kaya sila, ayan, partner, hindi natin nakita, hindi natin na 19 apiece na ang ating
Yes,
score.
partner.
Halos pareho na lang ang ating score ngayong second quarter.
We are deadlock, but yan na nga, Fulgar misses the baseline jumper. Yan na si Razon. Crossing the half-court line. Crosses to Porteria. Razon gives up to Bare. Challenge by the much taller Oquindo, but drains the three. Grabe, partner. This kid is a man on a mission. Gustong-gusto niya mabigyan ng kanyang team ng unang panalo sa ating quarterfinals.
Yes, partner. And again, that 3-point shot by Bare sa atin ng Musibis Bay, Cagraray Island. So, this is a very exciting ball game. Sabi nga natin kanina, partner, halos pareho yung stats nila sa ating quarterfinal. So titingnan natin kung sino ang mas gusto na manalo ngayong gabi.
Yun nga, partner, talaga this Team Milaor is destined. Yan na, Porteria again for 3. Kaboom! Grabe, partner. Talaga porsigido. And that 3-point shot is brought to you by Hotel St. Ellis, partner. Galing pala ako kagabi dyan, partner. Nakakain ako doon. Ang sarap ng pagkain, partner.
Yun naman pala, partner. Sana all.
Ayan na nga. And syempre, pag mga sana all na ganyan, batiin natin ang ating butihing commissioner na na si Commissioner Lloyd Rivera. Magandang gabi sa'yo. Is in Manila. Pero he is watching our live game sa ating FB page. Magandang gabi sa inyo, Commissioner Lloyd. And syempre kay Boss Ino Rivera. Magandang gabi, Boss.
Magandang gabi po, Com. And also, partner, ayan na. Lamang na ang Team Milaor partner ng 6. Ganon lang with this game in the line. Itong si Bare at itong si Porteria talaga. Ito yung nagbibigay ng lakas dito ngayon sa Team Milaor. Good adjustments to para kay sa Coach Dennis, partner. Nung pinasok niya tong si Porteria, nakasama si Bare, talagang umalagwa na sila.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Nag-shoutout lang ako. Pagtingin ko sa monitor, lamang na ang Milaor. With 6 minutes and 2 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Lamang ang Milaor, 19-25. And meron tayong foul na itawag kay Habana.
Alam mo, partner, itong dalawa na to, si Habana at si Biron, nagkasama to sa Team UNC, sa varsitarian to doon. So, kilala nila ang isa't isa pagdating sa banggaan sa ilalim.
Pero si Digamo, scoring but misses the shot. Biron, outlets to Eric John Bernales but misses the shot. Ayan na naman, ang mga nakaputi, trying to outrun the blue shirts. But a costly turnover. Sayang, partner. Medyo nakatingin na siya sa loob. Di niya pa nakakita. Di niya pa alam kung anong gagawin niya.
Yes, partner. So, that is a very costly turnover. So, yan na nga, partner. Kanina din, tinignan natin yung turnover na binibigay nitong dalawang team na to. So, malaking factor yun, partner, pag dito sa game na to. Kasi itong Team Milaor, doon sa previous game nila, mayroon silang 14 turnover. Yung Nabua, may siyam. So, malaking bagay yan dito sa larong ito, partner.
Yun nga, partner. They have to be careful when it comes sa turnover department. Kasi talaga alam naman natin, yun mga turnovers na yun will cause them damage sa kanilang team or can easily blow a lead pag mga ganyang malalaking turnovers. Ayan na si Bernales, rushing. Bernales drops it up. What a pass, partner. Grabe talaga ang isang Eric John Bernales. A very good court vision. And kumbaga, looking for his open teammates, partner, talaga every time na may bola siya.
Court general talaga to, partner, si
Sobra,
Eric.
partner. Very steady, very steady.
I love watching this guy, partner. Pag hindi pa nga natin nakikita dito yung mga pass forward niya coming from a rebound, pinapasa niya na kaagad yan, ito an open man. So yun ang kagandahan nito ni Eric Jan. So talagang he will find the open guy. Sabi nga natin sa mga players na iba, tumakbo lang kayo, darating sa inyo ang bola pag si Eric yung nagdadala.
Tama, partner. So you have to be ready. And very, what a block. Mahininyo sumayaw. Pinasok si Casulya. Muntik na maagaw ang bola. And si number 14 na si Gunowan kakapasok lang on the side of Milaor. Ayan na. What a spin. Mahininyo sumayaw. Grabe talaga, partner. Pinapakitaan ako nito.
Veterano partner yung spin move na yun. So ito, pinasok yung mga guys like Casulya and Gunowan to have a breather dito kay Labare, partner, na talagang umi-score for Team Milaor. And again, good thing, partner, they still have the lead with 25-21 on this game.
Yes, partner. Hindi sumayaw since the first free throw. And syempre, this veteran guy is vital sa Milaor because talagang pinagpahinga yung kanilang mga leading scorers, and then ayan naman siya to pile up the points para sa kanyang team.
Yes, partner. So again, partner, mapansin ko lang, so unti-unti na, partner, na dumadami yung mga tao dito sa ating Sangay Municipal Court. So yung mga gusto pong manood, you are very much welcome dito po sa Sangay Municipal Court. So watch us live, but pag hindi kayo makapunta dun sa mga social media platforms natin, pwede kayong manood ng live.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Pwede sila manood dito ng live for free. It's for free, partner.
Yes, partner.
Walang bayad. Atin sa atin ang Kubicol Party List. At syempre, ni Congressman Saldico. And syempre si Eric John Bernales na kanina ko pa binabati. And that shot was brought to you by Hotel Venecia, partner. Grabe, partner. Yun na nga, nakascore na nga. I guess it's a bad sign on the part of Milaor kasi medyo nagiging offensive-minded na si Eric John Bernales.
Okay, so may tinawag ata, partner, na double foul doon. So titingnan natin kung kanino. So medyo may konting masahihan sila sa ilalim, partner, doon sa sequence na yun.
Eric John Bernales. And foul number 5 of Team Milaor, Billy Porteria.
Yun ang partner. In that case, puro guards ang nagkiskisan at naglambingan. Si Eric Jan Bernales at si Porteria natawagan ng double foul. Si Razon with the fake. Passes to Guno on top of the key 3 challenge. But makes the 3-point bomb. Grabe partner. Quality minutes on the part of Gunoan. Contributing a scoring para sa Team Milaor. And si Bernales gives the ball to Degamo. Lobs it up to Beron. Beron, free throw jumper. But he was called for steps. Natawagan siya. Medyo nagdalawang isip. At nag-shuffle ang kanyang feet. Kaya natawagan siya ng traveling.
Yes, partner. So makita mo yung pag-set up kasi nung tira, partner, medyo nagalaw yung paa niya. So, and kudos to our referees na talagang napaka-eagle eye na nakita pa yon.
Totoo, tama ka dyan, partner.
Talaga itong mga referees natin, partner, one of, if not the best, one of the best talaga ito ang mga referees natin dito sa Ako Bicol Cup.
Yes, tama ka dyan si Casulla. Attacking the defense of Degamo. Grabe, partner. Lahat ng ipinapasok ni Coach on the side of Milaor is contributing. And syempre, ayan na. Coming off the bench and ready to shoot the lights out is si Bernales na si Alvin talaga. Ito, anytime. Pag pinasok mo, pupukol at pupukol.
Yes, partner. So talagang ito yung trademark dito ni Alvin Bernales. Tira kung tira. Basta binigyan mo siya ng puwang, talagang titirahan ganyan.
Yes, partner, tama ka dyan. Yun na nga, Ninyo Sumaya with the 3-point bomb. Grabe, partner talaga. Mabalik tayo kay Alvin Bernales talaga. I was amazed on how he plays, partner talaga. Nakita ko may running floater 3. Gulat ako. And nakausap ko yung iba. Yung talaga yung normal shot niya. Ayun na si Bernales. Airballs the shot. Hindi ko na nga babatiin at hindi nakakashoot.
So ito lang partner ang aalagaan dito nitong team na nagfa-file up na partner yung mga fouls ng mga
Yes.
starters nila. So this will be a big thing, partner, pagdating ng end game. So ito mga fouls na to, they will hunt mag-hunt to sa kanila paka during the last quarter. So dapat alagaan nila yung mga ganyang sequence.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Kaya dapat yung mga partner, meron tayong adjustment. Pinasok si Fulgar, pinasok si nilabas si Beron. Ayan na si Sumayaw with a crossover. Sumayaw against Redondo. Sumayaw spins. Kicks it out. Porteria. Medium range jumper. Gives it up to Ligabang. Ang Team Damboa when it comes sa offensive rebound department.
Yes, partner. Kasi kung makikita natin, partner, halos maliliit yung nasa loob for Team Milaor.
Pero sabi ni John Ray Casulla, kahit maliit ako, I can score against those big guys. Yan na si Bernales. Bernales fakes, gives the ball to Militario. Swings the ball to Digamo. Digamo open for 3. Misses the shot. Andyan na naman si Militario to grab the offensive rebound. And muntik na naman makakuha ng end one opportunity.
Nakita mo, partner, yung vertical leap. No?
Tama ka dyan, partner. Ayun na si Coach talaga. Si Coach Coach Dennis Medina instructing his big man, his players na talaga to box out because nga, kanina pa nananalasa itong si Militario.
Pag hindi mo talaga linagyan ng katawan yan, partner, pag hindi mo binadi up yan si Militario, talagang lalamunin ka yan sa talunan.
Yes, partner, kita mo naman, with his build and yung talon, talagang he is a force inside the paint. And may tira pa sa free throw.
Yes, partner. So again, also free throws are very vital sa mga laro, partner. So, in the previous games, yun ang medyo nahirapan itong team Nabwa dun sa game nila against Sangay. So, that is a big difference pag napapasok mo yung mga free throws na yun.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Yan si Razon. Heavily guarded by Militario. Yan si Digamo. Stolen by Digamo. Squeeze in. Umihingi ng foul. But nevertheless, he scored for 2. And cutting the lead to 3 points. Ayan na si Casulla. He is rushing. And he was fouled. I guess, partner, that is a case of frustration kasi hindi siya, humingi siya ng foul kanina. Hindi siya natawagan yan on the defense side. Medyo tinapik niya yung bola over Casulla.
Yes, partner. So, out of frustration na din siguro yun kasi humihingi siya ng foul sa kabila eh.
With 19 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Porteria. Natapik ni Bernales. Gives up to Redondo. Redondo flies. Scores for 2. Grabe naman yun, partner. Talagang with 22 seconds remaining sa ating first half. There is a ball pressure on the side of Nagwa and medyo nahihirapan. Ayan na si Casulla. Crossing the half-court line. Ninyo sumayaw sa ilalim. Grabe partner, very smooth. With 6 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Bernales, 2. Hail Mary shot, uses the glass. And that ends our first quarter, ladies and gentlemen, with the score of 39-36. Magbabalik po ang Ako Bicol Cup, Camarines Sur.
Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Ako lang ng pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilingan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano, Misibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Misibis Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Tayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Dinat sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arag po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan. Mahigit isang dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Mataanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang dito sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon. Mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa.
And we are back sa ating laro. Laban ng Nabwa versus Milaor. Lamang ang Milaor by 3 points. And what a first half, partner. Adjustments. Magandang chess match ang nangyari sa ating first half, coach.
Yes, partner. So ayan nga. Again, partner, ulitin ko na naman. Kanina, sabi natin, yung talagang stats nitong dalawang team na to is very identical. So talagang maganda itong laban na to. tingnan natin kung sino ang mananalo sa larong ito. But for now, pasadahan muna natin, partner, itong mga naging leading scorers natin nung first half. For Team Nabua, we have Digamo with 10 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists, 2 steals, and without a block. For Team Milaor, we have Sumayaw, the veteran, with 10 points, 4 rebounds, 1 assist, and 0 block.
Yun na nga, partner, grabe talaga. Si Digamo shooting the lights out sa ating first quarter with those 2 triples sa kanyang ginawa. And then syempre yung mga floaters niya. Ayan na si Bare against the much taller Oquindo. What a crossover. Kicks it out to Habana. Habana drops it up to Jimenez with a short jumper. Misses the shot. Ayan na si Bernales. Bernales kicks it out to Oquindo for 3. No good. Rebound by Jimenez. But there is Bernales with the rebound. Gives the ball to Digamo, but misses the shot. Ayan na. Si Kashmir Bare waiting for his teammates. Gives the ball to Priela. Behind the back dribble, crossover. Si Priela. He was caught dancing in the wrong song and he was called for steps and a turnover on the part of Milaor.
Yes, partner.
Medyo nanggigil, partner.
Nanggigil, partner. So, buti nga, partner, makita mo, may konting siko doon, may konting gulang eh. So, buti hindi natawagan ng referee.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Buti na lang. Traveling ang naitawag kay Nino Sumayaw. Yan yan na si Oquindo with the rainbow bomb and connects it.
So, right now, partner, ito, nag-adjust ang depensa nitong Team Nabua. They are now calling man, partner. Nagmaman-to-man na tong Team Nabua.
Ayan na, Bare. Loses the ball, gives the ball to Priela. Priela against the much younger Fulgar. Bernales is streaking. Bernales with the one-handed 3-point floater. Misses the shot. Digamo gives the ball to Bernales for 3. No good. Rebound. Nakuha ni Jimenez.
Ang ganda sanang lusot ni Bernales doon, partner. So, hindi lang niya na-convert.
And si Habana. Block by Redondo. Justin Oquindo gives the ball to Digamo with the floater. And the scores for 2. Grabe, partner. Sureball ang floater na gano'n ni Digamo. And kita ko talagang may pressure defense na ina-apply ang mga blue shirts dito sa Milaor. Yan na si Habana against 2 defenders. Gives the ball to Quidoles. And he was called for steps. And another turnover. And partner, meron tayong report galing sa ating courtside reporter na si Barbie. Barbie, magandang gabi sa'yo.
Magandang gabi muli, Coach Paul and Coach John, and of course sa ating mga kasurog. The momentum keeps on shifting kaya di natin ma-determine kung sino nga ba ang mananalo in this ball game. This is just a proof na parehong team ay eager na manalo for tonight and both of them is showcasing a strong defense and offense. Pero ang maganda sa game na ito ay nananatiling kalmado ang coaches ng bawat team at walang tensyon na namumuha sa ating players kahit na close fight ang matchup natin for tonight. However, our first half ended na lamang ang Team Milaor with 3 points at ngayon kasalukuyan Nabua ang nangunguna. That's the latest. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat, Barbie, sa update. And yun na nga, medyo nagiging intense ang ating laro ngayon. Si Nino Sumayaw misses the layup. Redondo is rushing. Redondo flies and scores for 2. And grabe, partner, napatawag kagad ang early timeout ang Milaor because and that shot is brought to you by Misibis Bay, Cagraray Islands. Ayan na ang coach ng Nabua. Humihingi ng explanation but I guess he was called for a technical foul.
Masakit yun, partner. Medyo may technical foul na tinawag ang team.
Yes, medyo masakit talaga kaya dahil they are up by 6 points right now and medyo maganda rin yung streak ng offense nila. But I guess baka magkaroon tayo ng momentum shift dahil dun sa technical foul na itinawag sa kanila.
Yes, partner. So, yung rinireklamo dito ni Coach Mark, partner, is yung pisikalan dun sa ilalim ni Sumayaw ni Oquindo, partner. So, medyo may siko daw na rinireklamo. So, medyo pwede naman niya kausapin actually yung referees natin politely, partner.
Yes, tama ka dyan,
Kasi
partner.
mag-e-explain naman yun, partner.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Medyo naiintindahan natin ang emosyon sa laro.
Yes,
Pero siyempre, you have to be calm and composed when it comes sa mga situation na ganyan. Kasi alam mo naman, isang mali or isang sitwasyon na pwedeng magpatalo sa ating team.
So, again, sabi mo nga, partner, pwede maging momentum shift yon, partner, dito sa team Milaor. But for this kind of situation, talaga, partner, normal naman yung mga physical na yan, physical play na yan. Diba?
Yan na nga, partner, yan. May tinitingnan anggulo ang mga referees na kaya siguro that cost, yun na nga yung pagreklamo ng team na Buwa. Sayang, partner, because they have 6-0 run, but siguro it will end because I guess free throws will be awarded. Di natin alam kung ano magiging sitwasyon.
So, hinihintay natin, partner, yung magiging desisyon ng mga officials natin, partner, dito sa sequence na yon, yung last sequence na rinireklamo nito ni Coach Mark ng Team Nabwa. So, but for now, partner, maganda itong nangyayari kasi sabi nga natin, lamang yung Team Nabwa with 6 points, pero at the other hand naman, pwede maging momentum shifter ito for Team Milaor.
Yes, partner, andyan na. Ayan na ang ating very on hand sa Commissioner Eman Faraon, who is talaga on the venue to assist and to give advice sa kanyang mga butiing referees para sa ating laro.
Okay, yes, partner. So, lahat naman yung, partner, tinitingnan ng ating mga officials, partner, just to be fair for everyone, partner. So, kasi may mga talagang mga bagay dito sa basketball na minsan di naman na makikita yan, partner So tao lang din yung mga officials natin. So kung may mga ganyang scenario, pwede naman yang kausapin ng mga coaches yung mga officials natin politely.
Tama.
But yun na, right now they are talking with Sir Faraon, one of our technical head dito sa Ako Bicol Cup officiating officials.
Yun nga, while waiting, batiin ko ang aking anak na nanonood. Nagpapa-shoutout na naman na si Juan Carlos at si Franco Miguel. Magandang gabi sa'yo, mga love. Babe kayo. And yun na nga, partner, baka may mga shoutouts ka pa. Pwede natin batiin ngayon.
Yes, partner. So, I will just shout out my wife, partner, na nasa sa ibang bansa ngayon. Advance happy birthday. Birthday niya sa June 12. So, advance happy birthday, Mara May Sepe. And also sa aking mga anak na si Hera at Hara na nanonood ngayon. Happy watching, mga anak.
Yes, yun na nga, partner. Tingnan natin kung ano magiging hatol ng ating mga gigiting na referees. And syempre, i-announce ng ating arena announcer siguro kung ano mga changes.
So sa ka-tune in pa lang po, medyo natigil po ang laro because of some physicality inside the court. So tinitingnan po yan ng ating mga players, coaches, and not only for them but also for the officiating officials.
2 free throws plus on possession of team number 1.
Okay, so ayun na.
Yung mga partner, natawagan. Ayan, tingnan natin yung replay na yan. Ay, yun na nga, partner.
Mayroong siko. Dalawa, partner.
Medyo.
Hindi lang isa.
Meron pang dalawa. And kanina, yung binanggit ng ating arena announcer, natawagan ng technical foul ang coach ng Nabwa. And natawagan din ng technical foul. Si Nino sumayaw with that siguro. Yung mga elbow na binigay niya.
Coach of Nabwa, 1 free throw.
So yun ang sinasabi natin, partner. Pwede naman kausapin kasi politely yung ating mga officials. Kasi papakinggan naman yan ng ating mga officials, partner.
Yes, tama ka dyan. In case kanina, kung talagang nilapitan niya at sinabi niya, tinuro lang niya, yung nakita niya kanina, malamang talaga hindi siya natawagan ng technical foul.
Yes, partner.
Ayan na si Bare. Misses the free throw shot. And merong nagsasabing wala yan. May mga fans na kasama. Siguro ang Team Dabwa dito to cheer them up. Ayan na si Oquindo. Oquindo makes the first free throw. I guess it's a through 2 free throws will be awarded to Oquindo plus ball possession siguro.
Partner.
Ayan na si Oquindo. Misses the second one. Wala ball possession. Bale. Cancel out siguro.
Na-cancel out, partner, yung possession.
Ayan na si Razon against Oquindo. Gives the ball to Habana against Redondo. Habana. Well defended by Redondo. Grabe, partner. Ayan na si Razon. Attacking. Block by Fulgar. Ayan na si Bernales. Slowly waiting for his teammates. Gives the ball to Negamo. Kicks it out to Oquindo for 3. Misses the shot. Rebound. Nino sumayaw. Outlets to Bare. Behind the back dribble. Ayan na si Bare. Gives the ball to Cecilio. Cecilio with the layup and scores for 2. And yun na nga, partner. Medyo may kasama pang depensa dahil yung ating si Bantay nakapasok sa ating hard court.
Dagdag depensa pa. Pero
Yes.
ang kagandahan nun, partner, si Bare hindi nagpanic dun sa ball possession.
At hindi nagpanik dun sa asong nandun sa loob ng
nasa harap niya.
court. And ayan na nga. Ninyo Sumayaw is momentarily open but hindi nakita ni Kashmir Bare. Ayan na si Bare. Well defended by Negamo. Bare with the spin.
10 seconds to shoot.
Drops it up to Razon with 8 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Sumayaw against Fulgar. Sumayaw with the left-handed shot. Misses the gimme. Ayan na si Redondo. With the crossover. What a pass, partner. But misses the shot. Is Fulgar. Outlets to Bare. Bare attacks, hangs, and scores for 2.
Yan na nga yung sinasabi natin, partner. Yung momentum shift doon sa technical foul na nakuha ng coach ng Naba. Mukhang ito na yon.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Si Negamo swings the ball to Oquindo. Negamo fakes, gives the ball to Bernales for 3. In and out. But there is Fulgar. But Cecilio steals the ball. Fulgar. Bare attacks. Bare. What a pass. Kay Razon. But the shot was deflected. And a substitution on the part of Nabua. Bernales, Eric Jan will come in and replace his brother. And si Velitario papalitan si Justin Oquindo.
Yes, partner. So ang gandang play nun for Oquindo. Never giving up on that defensive play. So ayan na. Ito, titingnan natin kung ano magiging adjustments ni Bare when it comes sa kanyang
ayan na si Negamo. Negamo, what a squeak. Grabe. What a shot. I'm speechless there, partner, on that sequence. Talaga siniksik niya yung sarili niya. And with the deep do, and the score is 48-43 in favor of Nabua. Habana crosses over against 2 defenders and using the glass for 2.
Yun, partner. So, ayan na, unti-unti na kumakatok itong Team Milaor with 45-48 and ang score natin dito sa ating third quarter.
Redondo airballs the shot, but there is again Peter Velitario grabbing those offensive rebound and put back, and he was fouled. And a chance for a 3-point play. And that shot was brought to you by Hotel Venecia.
Yung gandang effort doon, partner, ni Velitario. Hindi siya nag-give up doon sa play na yon.
Because hindi rin na-box out ng tama ni Habana. Kaya nakapag-operate sa loob ang very strong and high-flying si Velitario.
And ito, partner, magandang balita siguro to para sa mga taga-Milaor. Nandito na yung Julius Vargas, partner. Yung veterano natin.
Na-late lang si Dol Vargas. This will add a leadership for sure sa mga naka-white shirts. Ayan na. Vargas against Eric Jan Bernales. This is a good matchup, partner, for sure. Vargas gives the ball to Sumayaw at the post. Sumayaw, drop step. What a shot, partner, but misses the shot. Bernales, outlets, yun na nga ang sinasabi, but there is the veteran Julius Vargas to intercept the pass.
Ang gandang read nun for Julius Vargas, partner.
But I guess malamig pa si Julius and he's struggling dito sa court. Bernales swings the ball to Militario. Bernales, Degamo open for 3. Kabog! Gandang pick, partner, galing kay Redondo, and that 3-point shot is brought to you by Highlands Legazpi. Grabe yung pick, partner. Talagang nakawala at nawala yung defender ni Degamo. Medyo gigil at tatawagan ng offensive foul. Si Julius Vargas, naisaan siya. And humihingi si Julius, sabi niya flop daw yung nangyaring galaw kanina.
Yes, partner. So ito, partner, itong pagdating ni Dol Vargas dito, partner, this will make or break itong team Milaor, partner. Kasi minsan, ganun talaga. Pag medyo nahuli ito ang player natin, medyo may dalawang bagay yan, gaganahan o makakasama dun sa team.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Ayan si Ninyo sumayaw. Grabe, partner, isang Ninyo sumayaw talaga. And talagang nag-smile pa siya at binati niya pa yung mga taga-Nabwa with that sequence. And si Degamo fakes against Julius Vargas. Degamo drops it up to Militario, but there is Ninyo sumayaw again, blocking the shot.
Ito na, partner. Tumatrabaho na yung mga veterano nitong Team Milaor, partner, dito sa third quarter. So titingnan natin kung ano magiging adjustments din nitong Nabwa pagdating sa opensa, partner.
Yes, tama ka dyan. With the likes of Eric John Bernales na nagtitimon sa kanilang team. Misses the shot, but there is Fulgar. And missing the one again. And si Ninyo sumayaw. Binigay kay Porteria. Gives the ball to Kashmir. Bare open for 3. Kaboom!
Very timely 3-point, partner, for the Swish. Kashmir Bare, partner. So ito talaga ang dapat nilang ginagawa dito sa quarter na to.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Very timely. Kumbaga, a much needed score on the part of Milaor kasi lamang nga ang Nabwa in this ball game. Degamo with the hesitation, fakes. Lobs it up to Veron. Bernales, may pick galing kay Veron. Degamo again, open for 3. Hesitates. Fulgar with a medium range jumper. And sinks the shot.
Soft touch doon yung big guy na si Rodney Fulgar, partner. So, tingnan natin ngayon with a minute left dito sa ating third quarter. Again, Bare wala. So, tumatakbo naman, partner, itong mga taga-Nabwa.
Militario gives the ball to Degamo against Razon. Swings the ball to Eric John Bernales. Fakes. Bernales stops and pops for 2. Misses the shot. Razon. But there is Kashmir all alone using the glass for 2.
Kashmir Bare.
And unti-unti na naman, partner, lumalapit itong Milaor with just a 5-point lead nitong team Nabwa, partner, dito sa third quarter. So let's see kung anong gagawin nito ni Degamo at ni Bernales dito sa possession na to. 4-3. Tumira ng 3. Napaaga, partner, yung tira.
Pero si Sumayaw moving like a point guard and beating the buzzer for 2. Grabe naman yun, partner. Coast to coast move on the part of Dino Sumayaw. And that ends our third quarter with the score of 57-54. Namang pa rin ang Nabwa, pero what a sequence. What a third quarter, partner.
Yes, partner. So ayun nga, very doon si Sumayaw, yung experience niya talagang ginamit niya sa last play na yun. Tiningnan niya pa, partner, yung oras. Talagang hinabol niya for that last shot. And also, yung pagdating ni Dol Vargas is, I think, siguro isang factor din dun sa quarter na yon for Team Milaor. With just a 3-point lead nitong Team Nabwa. Kasi nangyayari, partner, ngayon, hinahatak na nitong Nabwa kasi medyo sa tingin nila, itong mga veterano nitong Milaor is talagang nagtatrabaho na. Pero hindi naman, kudos to these guards din nitong Nabwa na talagang hindi nagbaback down kahit mga veterano itong mga katapat nila dito sa Team Milaor.
Tama ka dyan, partner, talaga. With the addition of Julius Vargas sa Team Milaor adds more spice. And syempre yung veteran presence talaga Kumbaga, even if he is not yet contributing sa larong ito, but yung mere presence na nandyan siya is a moral booster para sa Team Milaor.
Yes, partner. So, talaga ito, sa nakikita ko, partner, itong mga bata dito sa Team Milaor, pag nandyan yung Julius Vargas, iba yung galaw nitong mga bata dito sa Milaor. So,
Tama, nagpapakita sa kanilang kuya na si Julius Vargas, ayan na si Hermoso. Completing the 5, Bernales, Hermoso, Redondo, Velitario, and Veron. On the Milaor side is Porteria, Julius Vargas, Bare, Ninyo Sumayaw, and Razon. Meron tayong tulakan na nangyari sa ilalim. Natawagan ang number 13 na si Razon. And partner, pasadaan mo ang ating mga leading scorer sa ating laro.
yes, partner, for Team Milaor, we have Barry with 16 points, partner, and 6 rebound. At may kasama pang 4 na assist yan. For Team Nabua naman, we have Digamo with 17 points, 1 rebound, at may 3 assist, partner.
Grabe yung Digamo, partner. Very smooth operator. Kumbaga, panaka-naka lang ang kanyang galaw at puntos, pero naka 17 points na pala.
Yes, partner. So yan ang mga player na talagang quality, hindi mo napapansin, talagang gumagawa para sa team niya.
Ayan na, partner. Meron tayong pressure defense again and na-apply ang mga naka-blue shirts. Vargas against Hermoso at the post. Di na nakita ng point guard. Ayan na. Talaga si Vargas looking for the ball. Yun na nga, partner, talagang very evident ang presence ng isang Julius Vargas talaga. He wants to take over, partner. Kitang-kita sa body language sa kanyang mata na he wants to take over for Team Milaor.
Yes, partner. Ito, partner, si Dol. Kilala ko to personally. Naabutan ko pa to sa Ateneo, partner, when he was in Ateneo. So talagang iba yung presence pag nandyan yan sa loob ng court si Dol Vargas.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Pero on that sequence, si Militario gives the ball to Hermoso. Muntik na, ma-open si Bernales, but di nakita ni Hermoso. And we have a foul on that sequence. Si Porteria natawagan ng kanyang third personal foul, and meron tayong 2 team fouls on the side of Milaor.
16 seconds to shoot.
Okay, so partner, it's everybody's ball game, partner. We're just a 3-point lead nitong Team Nabua. So in the game pa talaga itong Team Milaor, partner.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Si Hermoso against 2 defenders. Momentarily loses the ball, gives the ball to Redondo, drops it up to Militario, to Beron. What a pass! Grabe, partner. That is Nabua basketball for you, sharing the ball and finding their open teammates.
Yes, partner. And that shot is brought to us by Misibis Bay, Cagraray Islands, partner.
Ayan na si Bare, attacks the defense of blue shirts. Ayan na si Redondo, drops it up to Bernales. This is the gimme, but there is again Velitario with that offensive rebound and scoring underneath. Ayan na si Vargas. Vargas kicks it out to Bare for 3. No good. Rebound ni Beron, but there is Julius Vargas and he loses the ball. Medyo inaalat. But there is the effort, partner, talaga.
Yes, partner. Ayun yung effort. Talagang hindi siya nag-give up sa possession na yon, partner. So talagang hinintay niya na ibaba ni Beron yung bola na yun.
Tama ka dyan. Nung binaba, talagang tinapik at nakuha. Buntik na makashoot, but nabitawan ng bola.
Yes, partner. So with 8 minutes, partner, still in the ball game. Single digit lang yung lamang nitong Team Nabua.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Very manageable. Ayan na si, what a sorry pass. Hermoso is blocked by Porteria. But Hermoso raised a 3-point bomb. And napatawag ng timeout ang Team Milaor because the lead is now up to 10 points.
Yes, partner. So quality minutes din yung binibigay nito ni Hermoso with Digamo on the bench, partner. So talaga itong Team Nabua, very well-balanced din tong team na kasi to, partner. So kung makikita mo, may mga decent guards din sila na pampalit pag wala itong combo guard na si Bernales at si Digamo, partner.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Talagang this team is also equipped talaga and ready to battle it out sa ating mga susunod na laro. And syempre, they are eyeing to advance sa ating semifinals. Kumbaga, these are the best of the best pagdating sa ating mga district. These are the top 2 teams na naka-advance sa ating out of 36 teams talaga. Sila yung magigiting na top 2 na nakapasok sa kanilang mga distrito.
Yes, partner. So that's why tinawag natin sila, partner, na bigatin.
Yes,
Talagang
bigatin.
mabibigat itong mga teams na to. So mga loaded yung mga lineup nito with experience, mga bata. So for those of you na nanonood since day 1 ng AKB, so ito talaga yung mga opportunity nitong mga players na to, bata man o medyo may experience na, talagang binibigyan natin sila ng pagkakataon makilala ulit.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Speaking of veterano, ayan na si Razon at the post against Militario. But he was hacked and fouled, but I guess they're not in the penalty yet. So, baseline inbound on the part of Bilaor, and Julius Vargas will hand it out sa kanyang mga teammates. Gives the ball to Bare. Bare attacking, in and out dribble. Nakuha ni Ninyo, sumayaw ang bola. Sumayaw attacks. But I guess na-foul siya. Grabe, partner. Ninyo sumayaw over Beron. Two bodies banging inside. Talaga mga nayayanig ang ating court pag napagbabanggaan ng mga big man. What a pass, partner, of Vargas. Talaga yung court vision talaga, partner. Pati ako nagulat ako, partner, dun sa pasang yun.
So hindi alam ni Militario may tao sa kabila niya eh. So walang communication on the part of Team Nabwader. Kung na-convert yun ni Porteria, that's a sorry miss for Team Nabwa, partner.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Pero talaga yung vision and yung steadiness ng isang Julius Vargas and si Razon, Camli 6, the first one. And partner, talaga, if you are free, you can come and drop by here sa ating Sangay Municipal Covered Court. And pwede rin tayo manood sa ating mga Facebook pages, online sa Ako Bicol Online TV, sa Representative Saldico, and sa Ako Bicol Online TV, meron tayong YouTube channel. Pwede kayo mag-subscribe, follow, and pakishare na rin yung mga ina-upload na videos. And syempre may TikTok tayo, partner.
Yes, partner. Pwede kayo mag-subscribe.
Yes, this is Ako Bicol Cup at its finest talaga. You can watch the games live and syempre online. Kaya talaga there's no reason not to watch ball games.
Yes, partner. So ayan na, partner, unti-unti nang kumakatok ito sa pinto ng Nabwa, itong Team Milaor with just an 8-point lead. This is just a 3-possession possession game, partner. So still, Team Milaor is in the game.
Tama ka dyan, si Bernales kicks it out to Veletario. And grabs by Beron. Grabe yung offensive rebound. Medyo sinuwerte. Ayan na naman, si Dol Vargas. Sayang nung pasa na huli. But there is Hermoso to steal the ball.
Yes, partner. Good intention. Good intention there on part of Dol Vargas. Talagang na-recognize niya na si Barry na una na sa harapan. So, pero nabasa lang nito ni Bernales, partner.
And a turnover on the part of the blue shirts. And ayan na si Vargas against Hermoso. Vargas, dinahandaan. Vargas kicks it out to Porteria for 3. No good. Gandang depensa, partner ni Hermoso over Dol Vargas. Hermoso open for 3. Linapet gives it up to Redondo with a slam. Grabe, partner.
And that slam, mini slam, partners, brought to us by Hotel Venetia, partner. So ang gandang give and go yon coming from Hermoso to Redondo, partner.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And ayan na si Sumayaw. Gustong bumanti. Sumayaw with the spin. Kicks it out to Porteria. Gives the ball to Julius Vargas with 5 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Vargas with the floater.
Julius Vargas.
And scores for 2.
Again, partner, this is just a 10-point lead. Very manageable, partner, for Team Milaor. No need to panic. Just execute their plays para makabalik sila. And for Team Nabwa, partner, kung gusto nila manalo sa game na to, keep on pushing that ball, partner.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Ayan na, may mga adjustments tayo. Si Degamo pinasok, linabas si Hermoso. And binalik si Habana. Pinalitan si Porteria. Ayan na, 13 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Redondo against Sumayaw. Degamo swings the ball to Eric Jan Bernales. What a pass! But there is Ninyo Sumayaw with the block. And again, Beron scores for 2. Grabe, partner, yung perseverance ng isang Beron sa ilalim. Talagang hindi siya nagpapatalo with those 50-50 balls. Ayan na si Vargas. Talagang imposing his will against the much smaller na si Degamo. And talaga partner yung talino at alertness ng isang Julius Vargas. Alam nila na nasa penalty situation na ang team Nabua. So he attacked Degamo, and now he is in the free throw line but misses the first one.
Yes, partner, good recognition there on Dol Vargas. So partner, this will be a big thing for Team Nabua, no? Yung penalty. While yung Team Milaor, wala pa sila sa penalty. And we have 5 minutes remaining pa. 11-point lead lang yung partner. Very manageable pa with that 5-minute mark.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Meron pa tayong 5 minutes na natitira sa ating huling yugto. Talagang this is anybody's ball game for sure. Ayun na si Bernales, wasting clock. Bernales, what a pass kay Degamo. But nadula si Degamo, but there is Habana and Degamo and Meron diving for the loose balls. And tingnan natin kung kanino mapupunta ang possession. And yun na nga, magandang depensa. Ang possession mapupunta sa mga naka-white shirts na Milaor.
Good stop there on the part of Team Milaor, partner. So ang maganda for me, partner, ang magandang gawin nila dito, take it hard to the basket, partner, kasi naka-penalty nga. Pero but if Barre has an open look on the 3-point, why not, di ba?
Yes, tama ka dyan. Sabi nga ni Coach Sheng Giao doon, if you're open, take it. Pag hindi, ilalabas kita. Ayan na si Kashmir Barre na walang takot na umatake against this veteran. Barre, open, fakes, drops it up to Julius Vargas, but stolen by Bernales. Ayan na si Redondo. Dinahan-dahan at sinasayang ang oras dahil pabor ang score sa kanila. Bernales gives the ball to Degamo. Degamo open for 3. Kaboom!
Nako, masakit yung 3 points na yun, partner, for team. And that 3 points is atid sa atin ng Highlands Legazpi, partner.
Ayan na si Dol Vargas against Belitario. Vargas, medium range jumper. In and out. Yun na nga, Degamo against Barre. Crosses the half-court line is Bernales. Bernales wasting clock. Kumat si Belitario, di nakita. Bernales open for 3. Kaboom! Back-to-back threes on the part of Nabua. That adds the lead up to 17 points with 3 minutes and 35 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter.
Yes, partner, this combo guard of Nabua is taking over here on the fourth quarter for them. That's a good thing for Milaor. Nag-slim yung chances nila na manalo sa game na to, partner.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. These two combo guards of Nabua is working wonders for Team Nabua. And again, what a pass by Bernales but misses the shot. Es Redondo, sayang nun, partner.
And napatawag doon, partner, ng timeout itong Team Milaor, partner. So ayan, with 3 minutes and 6 seconds remaining on the fourth and final quarter, we have a 76-59 score. Lamang po, mga kaibigan, itong Team Nabua against Team Milaor dito sa ating bigatin quarterfinals dito sa Sangay Sports Complex. So let's see yung replay with the floater of Dol Vargas. So it will again, it will make or break itong pagdating ni Dol Vargas dito sa Team Milaor, partner. Pero ang kagandahan dito, kanina they had their mini run sana, but sumagot naman itong combo guard nitong itong Nabua in the likes of Eric Bernales and Degamo with also very good performance coming from Hermoso. And ito si Fulgar, kaninang third quarter, partner.
Ayan na ulit si Degamo, misses the shot. But there is Degamo who grabs his own rebound. And siyempre, partner, tama ka dyan. Yung mini run na meron ng Nabua with the back-to-back 3-pointers. And sabi ni Bernales, anong back-to-back? Meron pa ako ditong natitirang bala. And grabe, we have a 20-point lead with just 2 minutes and 42 seconds remaining sa ating huling yugto. And another turnover. Bernales gives the ball to Meron. Sayang, partner. I guess this is a manageable pa. But the time is not on the side of Team Milaor. So they have to hurry up and to play defense aggressively. What a pass, partner.
Grabe yung court vision nito ni Eric John Bernales, partner. And again, ganun-ganun lang. Tingnan mo yung lamang, partner. 22-point lead, partner, for Team Nabwa.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Napakabilis na umalago kagad kalabangan. Si Habana with a medium range jumper. Misses the shot. Redondo. Ayan na si Degamo. Wasting clock. And grabe, partner.
I think, partner, masasabi natin yung tira yon ng dalawang guard na to is that set, partner, and that another basket for Redondo that will seal the game, partner. I can say that because of this lead with 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining on the game.
Tama ka dyan, partner. That assist pass to Redondo na may mini dunk na naman tayo nakita. Gigil na gigil si Redondo to slam that ball. And I guess, ayan na. Meron tayong substitution on the part of Naba. Yung mga seldom used players ng Nabwa, pinasok na to give some playing time. Yan na si Priela, who started our ball game. But struggling on the first part, kaya medyo pinalitan siya. Yan na si Redondo against the veteran Priela. Redondo, dribbling exhibition.
10 seconds to shoot.
Ayan na. A new guy coming inside na si Saison. Natanggalan ng sapatos, kakapasok pa lang, but misses the shot.
Medyo maluwag ata, partner, yung naibigay natin sapatos.
Medyo maluwag hayaan mo. At sa susunod na taon, may bago ka ulit sapatos. Ayan na, with 2 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Bernales beating the clock, but misses the shot. Ayan na si Razon. He was caught again, dancing in the wrong zone. Tama ka dyan, partner. Pag maluwag next year, meron ka ulit sapatos dyan for sure.
Yun pala dapat gawin ng mga ibang player, no? Medyo luwagan natin.
For sure, this is not the last, this is the last leg of Kamsur, Ako Bicol Cup. Sunod-sunod pa to.
Yes,
so talagang alam naman natin yung programa na binibigay ni ating butihing Congressman Saldico para sa ating mga kababayan. Ayan si Redondo again. Munting na makuha, mata-turn over. Yun ang mabalik tayong partner. Na siyempre, alam naman natin na ang Ako Bicol Party List headed by our butihing congressman na si Congressman Saldico na katabang na, kasurog pa. And talagang continue to support the young ones, and especially yung mga athletes here sa ating region.
Yes, partner. So, nagpapasalamat tayo sa Ako Bicol Party List and kay Congressman Saldico for bringing in Ako Bicol Cup dito sa Camarines Sur. And also, marami pa yan, partner. Hindi lang Camarines Sur.
Yes, may Cam Norte pa tayo, may Sorsogon. And tingnan natin, maraming plano na naihatag nasa kalendaryo ng ating butihing commissioner na si Commissioner Lloyd Rivera. For sure, maganda magiging programa natin dyan. And yan na si Habana. This is the first one. And partner, meron pa tayong susunod na laro. Ang labanang Lupi, ang high-flying and electrifying Lupi against the home team na Sangay na maglalaro sa kanilang home court na very inspired for sure kasi nandito ang kanilang 6-man. Abangan nyo po yan sa ating second game.
Yes, partner. So, ayan na nga, makikita natin unti-unti nang napupuno itong Sangay Municipal Court, partner. So, sports complex. So, talagang, again, sa mga gusto pa pong humabol at manood, yung second game natin is yung sa inyong home team na Sangay against Lupi.
Ayan na. With just 21.3 seconds remaining sa ating fourth quarter, I guess safe to say, tama ka dyan, partner. Sabi mo kanina, that this game is won by Nabwa. And we're just waiting for the final buzzer. And gusto pang dagdagan ni Alvin Bernales with that long bomb. And yun na nga, partner. We're just waiting for the final buzzer and the final score. And syempre, aabangan natin ang kasurog best player of the ball game. Marami tayong candidates. On the side of Nabwa, ay na si Saison. Loses the ball. Medyo malamig pa. And yun na nga, partner. That ends our game with a score of 86-64 in favor of Nabwa. Partner, what a game, partner. Natapos, nagkatalo sa huling minuto. Mga huling minuto ng laro. And yung mga adjustments are made. And for sure, sa susunod na mga laro, babawi at babawi ang mga team na to.
Yes, partner. So, yun ang kagandahan dito, partner. Again, yung quarterfinals natin, another set of round robin, partner. So, talaga makakalaban pa nila itong ibang teams, partner, pagdating dito sa ating quarterfinals. Pero kudos to those teams, partner. Kudos to Milaor for not giving up, partner. So, yun ang kagandahan dito. Veterans wise, itong team Milaor compared to this mas bata partner na team Nabwa.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Yun na nga, yung magandang naging adjustment, partner. Kumbaga, yung chess match ng mga coaches nung early part ng laro talaga very evident talaga. And syempre, yun na nga, partner, sinasabi mong make or break na pagdating ng late na si Julius Vargas talaga. Yun na nga, tingnan natin, nabawasan kasi yung opensa at galaw ni Kashmir Bare because may kaagaw na siya doon sa point guard position.
Yes, partner. So, normally, partner, ganun naman talaga yung mga ganyang senaryo sa kada team. Dalawang bagay lang yan. It's either on the positive side or on the negative side. So, for Team Milaor, but no need to worry. They fought that game very well. Their veterans talagang acted as kung ano man yung hinihingi sa kanila ng coach nila. So, kudos to Team Milaor and congratulations to Team Nabwa for gaining another win in this Bigaten quarterfinals.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. It's a big win on the part of Nabwa. They will, their standings will be up sa ating ladder match. So, talagang kaabang-abang ang mga susunod na laro sa ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Siyempre, hatid sa atin ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List, katabang nakasurog pa. And para sa ating mga late tuners, ako nga pala ulit si John Bachiller, kasama aking partner.
Yes, partner. So, I'm Coach Paul Sepe, ang inyong naging basketball analyst for this game.
Yes,
so, I think, hintayin pa din natin, sabi mo nga, partner, yung kasurog player of the game, na sabi mo, ang daming candidate, partner, dito sa side ng Team Nabwa. Siguro, partner, distributed kasi yung points nung Team Nabwa dito sa game na to. So madami tayong inaay kung sino ang magiging kasurog player of the game. But for now, partner, tingnan natin muna yung mga highlights itong game na to for Team Nabwa. We have the likes of Vilitario, Digamo, Bernales, also quality minutes from Polgar, Hermoso, and other guys like Oquindo, partner. So this team is a well-balanced team, a young team. So siguro madami pa tayong mapapanood dito sa team na to, dito sa Team Nabwa na to. So again, congratulations to Coach Mark and to the rest of the guys dito sa Team Nabwa, partner.
And special mention din on the part of Milaor side, yung pananalasa during the first half ng veteran na si Nino Sumayaw talaga. And syempre, doon lang nagkatalo with those technical fouls talaga na medyo nanlamig talaga. And yun na nga, nag-iba yung timpla ng laro. After that, yun ang partner, sinasabi mo na nag-iba yung complexion after that technical foul was given to Nino Sumayaw.
Yes, partner. So ayun na nga. So ito magandang buhat nung Team Nabwa coming from a loss dun sa dito sa masusunod na maglalaro sa atin yung Team Sangay, partner, dun sa last outing nila. Kasi yun nga, sabi nga, as I talked to Eric Bernales kanina.
Dondo.
Yes, partner. So again po, we're inviting all of you, yung mga malapit po dito sa Sangay Sports Complex, to join us here live. Again po, wala pong bayad ang panunood dito sa Ako Bicol Cup ng live. So you can just went here and support your teams, especially to Team Sangay. This is your home team. So kung hindi naman kayo makakapunta, medyo busy sa bahay, hindi maiwanan yung mga anak. We have our social media platforms, partner, para dun sila manood.
Pwede manood habang kumakain.
Yes,
at yun na nga, kumbaga pwede itong panghimagas after a good dinner. And partner, pasalamatan ko ang ating mga sponsors, Misibis Bay, Cagraray Highlands Legazpi, Hotel St. Ellis, and Hotel Venetia, partner. Yun na nga, partner, meron tayong mga social media platforms para manood. And syempre, pero pag may oras na lang, partner, mas maganda manood dito ng live. Dahil kitang-kita mo yung aksyon at labanan ng bawat kupunan dito.
Yes, partner. And iba yung thrill, partner, pag nasa live game ka, pag nasa on-court ka talaga. Iba yung thrill. And also, again, sa lahat po ng nagtatanong kung ano ba, yung sapatos ba na pinibigay ni AKB is legit or 100% original, that's 100% authentic. And also, yung mga jersey, that's all free for all the teams na kasali, partner, dito sa Ako Bicol Cup. So, ang sabi nga natin, yung mga players pupunta na lang na may dalang medyas.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And syempre, yung mga sapatos na yun ay libre talaga. At sana marinig tayo ng ating butiing commissioner at mabigyan ang mga anchors at panels na nandito sa ating venue.com.
Yes,
Size 11 po ako.
Once again, and as you can see, makikita natin yung mga highlights dito sa nakaraang laro while we're waiting for our kasurog player of the game, partner.
Nahirapan nata pumili ng kasurog best player of the ball game. Pero bago natin hintayin ang ating kasurog best player of the ball game, batiin ko nga ang aking mga constituent sa Barangay Kawit East, Washington Drive. Ng magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal kayo ni Kagawad. Malapit na, alam nyo na yan.
So ayan, happy viewing to all of you. And also gusto ko rin batiin ang mga taga-Iriga, especially sa mga taga San Nicolas. And also babatiin ko din ang aking pinsan Alvin Losenya. A very very happy birthday sa iyo ngayong araw. Magpainom ka naman.
Happy birthday po sa inyo. Tumatanggap po kami ng balot. Ang staff house namin dito sa Kamsur, malapit lang. Pwede kayo magpadala.
So yan, happy viewing to all of you and to all the viewers out there. And sa ating live, happy viewing po. Nasa Pilipinas man kayo or nasa ibang bansa.
Yun na nga, speaking of Pilipinas, partner, ibang bansa talaga. Di lang tayo napapanood, partner, dito sa Kamsur, sa Albay, sa Sorsogon, sa buong Bicol Region. Napapanood tayo all over the world. Kasi via sa ating mga Facebook pages, yung mga social media platforms, especially yung YouTube, na pwedeng mapanood yung mga previous games. Meron tayo, partner, yung sa Albay Leg natin, nandun yun. Na-upload siya and pwede mo siyang i-share at pwede mo siyang i-forward para mapanood and ma-witness din yung mga talents na meron sa mga Albayano.
And also, yung mga families ng mga players natin,
yes, yun ang pinaka-importante, tama ka dyan.
So nakikita nyo itong mga kapamilya nyo na naglalaro dito sa Ako Bicol Cup.
And syempre, partner, talaga, lalong-lalo na yung mga estudyanteng naglalaro, baka may makarecruit sa kanila on the higher leagues and higher schools. Kaya syempre, malaking bagay talaga ang Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur.
Yes, partner. So, ayan ang partner. So, puntahan na natin, partner, si Barbie with our Kasurog best player of the game. Barbie, pasok!
Thank you so much for that, Coach John and Coach Paul. Kasama ko na nga ang ating kasurog player of the game, si Jomel Digamo, jersey number 1 from Team Nabwa with 22 points, 4 rebound, 4 steal, and 2 assists. So, congratulations, Jomel. Share mo naman sa amin kung ano ba yung naging game plan ng Nabwa para manalo in this match.
Sabi ng coach namin na paghigpitan lang po yung depensa, magtiwala sa isa't isa, at kahit wala po kaming practice, dito na lang po magtiwala lang po sa isa't isa, sabi lang ng coach namin.
Yes, Jomel, magandang gabi sa iyo. Congratulations for being the Kasurog best player of the ball game. Jomel, as early as first quarter, nakita ko kaagad na talagang pumukol ka kaagad ng mga 3-pointers. Ang kagandahan sa iyo is parang relax na relax ka pag tumitira ng mga 3-pointers. Anong sikreto natin dyan?
Tiwala lang po sa tira.
Yun naka-coach, tiwala daw, coach.
Okay, so ako naman, Jomel, congratulations on your win, Jomel, with Team Nabwa. So, ano pa siguro ang makikita namin for you sa mga next coming games mo, and how do you prepare for that game?
Pa-condition lang siguro, di kasi kami nakakapag-practice. Malalayo yung namin. Kanya-kanya na lang siguro, tapos tiwala na lang siguro sa sinasabi ng coach namin. Yun po.
So, aabangan namin yan, Jomel. So, now grab your chance to thank all of your supporters at ng Team Nabwa.
Salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuport sa Team Nabwa, sa mayor po ng Nabwa at sa kay Kagawad. Pati na din sa mga sumusuporta sa Gubat Sorsogon na mga friend po namin. Tapos sa pamilya ko po, shoutout po sa inyo. Thank you po.
Ayun, thank you Jomel and congratulations again. And here concludes our Game 1 matchup between Nabwa and Milaor. And again, nanalo po ang Nabwa. Mga kasurog, stay tuned because in a while ay meron din tayong Game 2 battle between Sangay and Lupi. This is Barbie Floriano, your courtside reporter.